Welcome back, Automation Tribe members. I've built a free image resizer and converter API you can host on your own server. This tool lets you transform images through simple API calls, resize dimensions, convert between JPG, PNG, and WebP formats, and optimize file sizes. Perfect for your N8N, make.com workflows, or custom scripts. Self-hosting means no usage limits, no subscription costs, and complete control over your data. Process thousands of images without worrying about expensive third-party services. I'll keep building these API endpoints, but I need your feedback. Leave a comment telling me what API you want next. No comments or likes tells me these tools aren't needed, and maybe you prefer paying for external services. Now, let me show you how easily you can set up this image processing API. First, join one of our school communities. This API point is available in both the free and paid communities. Download the PHP file, then upload it to your host. I'm using cPanel, and as you can see in my file manager, I'll upload the file I just downloaded from the community. Next, visit the URL link. Make sure it's in the same location where you uploaded the file. When you run it for the first time, you'll see the file generating a new folder called temp image files. For this API to work, you'll need PHP GD Extension, PHP curl extension, a writable temporary directory. If you don't have these available, I recommend asking your host to install the extensions. For the directory, you can make it writable yourself. Let me show you an example. If I go back to my cPanel file manager and change the permission to another value, then refresh the page, you'll see that you get an error. Simply change the folder permission back until your folder is writable. Again, if you refresh the page, you'll see that everything is perfect. Now scroll down on the page until you see the C URL example. Click on the Copy Curl Code button, and this code will be available on your clipboard. Go to N8N and create a new workflow. The first node should be a manual trigger. The second node is an HTTP request. Open this node, and you'll see a little button called Import Curl. A new pop-up window will appear where you need to paste the code you copied from the API endpoint page. Then, like magic, everything is available in the node. I'll use one image from my website, Automation Tribe. I'll copy the URL for this image. As you can see, it's very big at 1500 by 1500 pixels, and the format is WebP. I want to convert it to PNG format and also make the image smaller, around 500 pixels. I can do all this right here in the node. After I make all the settings, I'll click on Test Step. And as you can see, from now on, you won't need to pay for conversions and image manipulations anymore. Please stay tuned because I have more advanced API endpoints coming very soon. Please subscribe to the channel and give a like. It will help me out. Also, please note that these API endpoints are free and you can download them in the community. If you join the paid community, you'll be able to download all the automations you see on this channel and connect with cool people inside.